chance-bought F4U Corsair was one of the finest fighters ever built. Today's F4U Corsair earned the nickname Korean War Hero for its remarkable performance as a ground attack bomber in Korea. This aircraft served time on the USS Boxer and USS Valley Forge aircraft carriers, making her one of the very few surviving Korean War Corsairs flying today. With the longest running production cycle of any piston engine fighter, the Corsair is a legend of U.S. naval aviation. Production reached over 12,000, including those built by Goodyear and the Marine Corps attack variant. Corsair is capable of speeds over 470 miles per hour. That speed comes from an 18-cylinder Pratt & Whitney R2800 engine, developing an awesome 2,600 horsepower. Despite the advent of the jet, the Corsair remained a major naval fighter well into the 1950s. From the right, this is Jim Tobul and Korean War Hero. Armament for the Corsair is impressive. 6 50 caliber machine guns and up to 4,000 pounds of external stores. The combination of an awesome arsenal, speed, power, and maneuverability, Corsair made its major mark. It racked up an impressive score of aerial victories against Japan's best fighters. Notice the inverted gull wing design of the Korean War Hero. This was mandated by the huge propeller needed to drive the aircraft. With a diameter of over 13 feet, with a standard design, the propeller would have struck the deck of the carrier. The wings were gulled down at the fuselage to allow for heavy, sturdy landing gear to take the punishment The Korean War Hero is flown today by Jim Tobul, call sign Torque. Jim and his father, Joe Tobul, began a long and loving restoration process in 1981. It was retired from naval service in 1956. Spent several years in private ownership trying to be acquired by the Tobuls. Today, Jim Tobul operates Korean War Hero at air shows just like this across the United States to remind us of the sacrifices made by the veterans, including by so many to protect and preserve our freedom. Jim will now set up for 2 photo passes for you, one from the left and one from the right. When he completes the 4-point hesitation roll. Notice the sound of the engine. The Merlin sings. The Pratt & Whitney rumbles. Yeah. right, there's one photo pass. Jim's going to turn the airplane around. Going to do it again, this time from the left. So get your cameras, camcorders, watercolor set, whatever recording media you have. Here comes Korean War hero Jim Tobul at the controls. For more information on the aircraft and Jim, visit KoreanWarHero.com. Online you'll find more pictures,